Heyo, it's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm with Bellator Claims Resolution. Bellator Claims Resolution. We are at bellatorclaims.com, but I'm here right now to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Gabby of Denver, Colorado. My home is less than 2 years old and we have owned it for less than a year. An inspection of the home was completed by a home inspector and by the insurance company prior to insuring the home. A hailstorm occurred. The insurance company did cover all damages related to hail damage except the most expensive part, which is the roof. The adjuster told me and showed me pictures of an estimated 50 chipped concrete tiles, 50 of them, right? And he claimed that not one single chip was due to the hail? Of course. I don't know how anyone can make that assumption knowing that the roof was inspected less than a year ago with no damage reported. Listen, if it was inspected by the insurance company and a home inspector, you gotta assume, I'm just guessing here, you have to assume that somebody would have been like, hey, all these tiles up there are chipped and broken, the house is 2 years old, you're gonna be living here, and in less than a year you got 50 chipped tiles for, man, I don't know, these crows up there are loving the tile. It's like s'mores to them or something, I don't know, right? Like, you have to assume that if that was done a year ago, nothing was reported, no photo showed the evidence of any chips on the tile, and now, less than a year later, you have a hailstorm and all of a sudden there's 50 chipped tiles. How can none of those be from hail? Nah. You know what they say though? A lot of times, insurance company and engineers love this scapegoat of, oh, it's a manufacturer's defect. Oh, is it? Well, let's call the manufacturer. Okay, let's call the manufacturer. We know who it is. Turn the tile over. Oh, manufacturer. Hey, did you guys have any defects reported on this tile, this model number, this year? No? Oh, okay. Weird. It's not a manufacturer's defect, even though you keep trying to say it is, Mr. Engineer. Why do you keep saying that? Like, how do you know? Were you part of the manufacturing process? No? Okay. So, this is what I'm getting into, okay? You've heard me say it before and I'll keep saying it. Insurance company will tell you things that sound like, yeah, that's a possibility, that seems legitimate, that could be reasonable, that maybe that's what happened, but it's not, okay? Or it's not excluded. Maybe it is. Okay, so maybe the roof is old. Is it excluded for being old? Did you exclude the roof from my policy? No. So you knew how old the roof was, and you still insured it, So you've been taking my premiums this whole time, but you don't want to pay a claim, That doesn't seem fair, does it? No, of course not. So this is what I'm telling you. If you have a claim that you're working on, that they're not giving you exact policy language of why the claim is being denied, you have to question that and get somebody involved to help you, okay? That's what we do. Bellatorclaims.com, bellatorclaims.com. Contact us today, see what we can do to help you out.